In this video, I'll outline a simple method to generate $10,000 per month on Pinterest. I recently discovered this new approach, and I'm excited to share it with you. Pinterest affiliate marketing offers a fantastic opportunity to earn a full-time income online, requiring only a few hours of daily effort. What's great about it is that anyone can get involved without needing to reveal their identity. Before we proceed further in this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here we provide the latest ideas, tips, and tricks for making money online. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now, let's continue with the video. Analyzing Pinterest trends. This step is pivotal because creating content around trending topics significantly amplifies your visibility and earning potential. To kickstart the process, navigate to the Pinterest Trends page by searching for it on Google. Accessing this feature requires a Pinterest account, preferably a business account. Once on the Pinterest Trends page, you'll encounter a roster of current trending topics. Presently, outfit ideas and fashion dominate the trends. However, if these topics don't align with your interests, explore alternatives like side hustles, home decor, self-development, cooking, and health tips. Alternatively, focusing on the side hustle and money-making niche can be lucrative, given the abundance of high-paying affiliate programs available. Identify profitable affiliate links. After selecting your topic, the subsequent step involves sourcing high-paying affiliate links. My preferred method for uncovering such links is through impact.com. Click on the link provided in the description to access impact.com and initiate your account creation process. Note that approval for your account might not be immediate. If your account isn't approved right away, I suggest continuing to post content on Pinterest to demonstrate activity. You can reapply later, boosting your approval odds. Once granted access to Impact, you'll discover an array of affiliate links spanning various categories related to your niche. Additionally, consider exploring Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and Digistore24 for alternative affiliate links. One affiliate program I highly recommend is Rakuten, which offers $30 per successful referral. Rakuten furnishes coupon codes to aid online shoppers in saving money, simplifying promotion efforts. You can apply to become a Rakuten affiliate through the link provided in the description. Create engaging content. Transitioning to the next phase, you'll embark on posting content on Pinterest. Luckily, you can employ AI to craft visuals for your pins, streamlining the process effectively. I'm thrilled to introduce you to Kittl, a platform for generating AI content. You can explore Kittl for free using the link provided in the description. Now, I'm logged into my Kittl account, presenting a plethora of options for crafting diverse designs. Let's initiate by selecting New Project. Choose an artboard size, with the larger poster size being ideal for Pinterest. Begin crafting your image, drawing inspiration from Pinterest itself. Recently, I stumbled upon an image I'd like to recreate using Kittl's tools. Kittl offers various features, starting with Kittl AI, perfect for generating background images or crafting visuals. For instance, I can task AI to create an image depicting someone counting cash, generating a usable result. Once you've crafted your image, consider incorporating text. Kittl provides an array of text options, allowing customization of fonts and styles. Explore the Elements section to add supplementary elements like shapes or banners. For example, I'll integrate a notebook element into the background to accentuate my text. After adding text and elements, refine your design by adjusting effects like shading. Once satisfied, I recommend downloading your creation in PNG format, optimal for Pinterest. Kittl extends beyond images. You can also design logos using Kittl AI. Simply navigate to Logos and then Logo Generator, describing the desired logo. Kittl AI furnishes several options based on your description, allowing customization of colors, textures, and design elements. It's noteworthy that any design crafted with Kittl is available for both commercial and personal use. In summary, Kittl emerges as an invaluable tool for crafting various assets for your endeavors. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you love the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Establish your own website. Moving forward to the next phase, let's delve into creating a personalized website to exhibit all your affiliate links. When sharing images on Pinterest, it's imperative to link your website instead of directly incorporating affiliate links to prevent potential account complications. I'll walk you through the process of website creation in under 3 minutes. Begin by registering for an account on Hostinger, an excellent option renowned for its user-friendly interface and ongoing promotion. Opt for the business plan, priced at just $3.99 per month, granting access to exclusive AI tools and e-commerce functionalities unavailable in other plans. Upon registration, you'll land on a welcome screen. Click Start Now, choose Create a new website, and opt for WordPress with AI. Proceed to set up login credentials for your WordPress account and select the desired plugins for installation. I recommend selecting Hostinger's blog hosting option for its robust feature set. Next, customize your page layout and select your preferred color scheme. Utilize the AI-powered tools to design the initial framework of your website. Specify your website's name and indicate that it's an affiliate marketing platform, showcasing diverse affiliate links. You have the option to claim a complimentary domain name or utilize an existing one. Once these steps are completed, your website will be generated. Access the admin panel to further tailor your website to your specifications. Follow the prompts to ensure your website is prepared for customization. To make adjustments, click Visit Site and then Edit Page. You'll be provided with a template to work with, enabling you to personalize the text and design according to your preferences. On the Hostinger dashboard, locate the AI Content Creator tool, facilitating the generation of custom content for your website using AI. For instance, craft summaries promoting your affiliate links. Customize the content and seamlessly integrate your affiliate links. Implement growth strategies. Transitioning to the subsequent phase involves disseminating your content on Pinterest. Firstly, ensure you've uploaded your profile picture and included your website in your bio, accompanied by a concise description. Subsequently, when uploading an image to your Pinterest account, ensure it's linked to your website. Here's a step-by-step guide for uploading your image with the corresponding website link. Click on the plus button, then pin. Add a title to your pin, insert your website URL, and include relevant tags pertaining to your niche. Create a board. I'll create one for saving money, since I'm promoting Rakuten. You can create boards for various categories like finance, fitness, health, etc. Once completed, post the picture. The process is straightforward. Ensure that when users click on your image and visit the link, they're directed to the affiliate link you're promoting. Organize your affiliate links on your website's homepage or establish separate pages for each affiliate link, redirecting visitors accordingly. This customization can be executed on Hostinger. I recommend aiming to post at least 3 images daily for enhanced exposure. Additionally, you can share videos on your Pinterest account, leveraging AI to create these videos. If you loved this Make Money online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.